feel it every time you see me in. What's my favorite word? Why they gotta say it like short? You know.
Yeah, my boy Bootsy Collins playing in the back. Keep playing on your star guitar and do your thing. Thanks for you, Kylie Jenner. I'm your host, Black King Sebastian, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
We're live.
Let's get straight into the Bible for today.
So for our first hot topic, Black King Sebastian, we were recently watching a little bit of the Wendy Williams show, and we ran across that Rihanna is supposedly, allegedly, with ASAP Rocky. Tell us a little bit about Rihanna in case the viewers don't know who Miss Rihanna is, Black King Sebastian.
Robin Rihanna Fenty is a Barbadian singer, actress, and businesswoman, born in St. Michael. And with Rihanna, one thing about this topic, this is probably all alleged, especially because with the billionaire guy you were dating, he was dating you just to say he dated a star. And you already know he left saying that you are ratchet. And with the ASAP Rocky, he can get a ton of it. He's just out there trying to put another pin on his belt buckle. Let's move into our next hot topic.
So for our next hot topic, we want to mention that it was Rita Ora's birthday recently, and Black King Sebastian and I were, just watching a little bit of the things because Rita Ora said that she had 2 birthdays, one earlier before just by herself at her house, and another one with 30 other people. What are your thoughts, Black King Sebastian?
We see that with the Rita Ora, she's out there celebrating her birthday. And Dr. Ross and I have no hate, go do you. If you want to party with 30 friends, we have nothing but love. Invite Dr. Ross and I. We'll spice up that party. And we heard that the Wendy Williams was also, when she heard the 30 friends were there, she started going crazy saying, I don't have 30 friends, where are my friends? And started going off on, not the booth, but the other guy with the glasses. We'll put his photo right here.
The cameraman.
Yes, but with Wendy Williams, you need to sit down. And with the Rita Ora, keep doing you and keep celebrating your birthday. Every day is your birthday. Let's move into our next hot topic.
For our next hot topic, we do want to mention Machine Gun Kelly. So Machine Gun Kelly has been in every one of our episodes at this point. And basically, it looks like Megan Fox is kind of helping him with his drug use, his past drug use, and now he's going to therapy and rehab and all this other extra stuff. What are your thoughts, Black King Sebastian?
We hear that with the Machine Gun Kelly, he's going to the rehab, but with the Megan Fox, if you keep staying in the rehab too long, she's gonna find another twin flame. So don't be too mellow, you need to know what you want. But with the Machine Gun Kelly, don't stop wearing the pink and all of that. Because we're just gonna keep calling you the boy, not even Kelly.
I feel like she's already found another twin flame. She's just trying to ride this one out for a little bit longer just to see how Brian Austin Green reacts, because remember when she was married to Brian Austin Green and she said she was with Machine Gun while being with him? I think she's with someone else right now, 5 other guys, and she's just using the machine gun to, keep her name a little, not too thrown under the dirt.
But Machine Gun, the flame was probably already dispersed. Let's move into our next hot topic.
So, Black King Sebastian, we were watching a little bit of the news, and this morning Obama recently came out and he spoke on Dolly Parton. You know we love Dolly Parton. We got her cups right here, mugs.
That's right.
Go Dolly. But Obama recently came out and he spoke up and he said that he thinks it was screwed up that he didn't give Dolly Parton the Presidential Medal of Freedom. And he said he's going to go and call Biden to go give her the Medal of Freedom.
And Dr. Ross, this is one thing I like about the Obama, out of many, many other things. With Obama, he's not like the Trump, constantly worrying about if he's going to get any more money. And no offense to Mr. Trump, because you still are our president. But in my opinion, the Obama was just a greater president overall compared to you. And we hope that Biden does even better than Obama. But Trump, get out of the office and just ride the rest of your days out.
Have yourself some cold milk and look out the window for a little bit, have some catfish.
That's right, go with Melania, because she's calling your name right now. I think that's her right there. Let's move into our final hot topic.
for our final hot topic, things got a little bit awkward. I don't know why Ellen was going to try to ask this about, Ellen likes to bring a little bit of humor into this, but they're young. They really shouldn't be thinking about this right now, but she was asking Justin Bieber when he's going to start making Hailey Baldwin pop out some babies.
And didn't Hailey Baldwin already have a baby?
I don't even know Black King Sebastian. Both those sisters have been popping out babies back and forth. But Justin Bieber took a second to tell Ellen DeGeneres that he's gonna have as many kids as Hailey is willing to push out.
Most likely, she's either gonna have one or none. But with the Justin Bieber, my advice to you, stay with none. Just keep your life single, or not single, but stay married to the Hailey Baldwin. Because right now, you got it good, you got it grooving, you're mellow, and you're Cadillac. So keep doing you, but don't have any babies. Have only one.
I'm gonna agree with Black King Sebastian. I think you guys should keep the babies that you guys have now, your cats that you call your kids. That's probably better right now, smoking all the 420, because cats are easy. They'll walk around and just sit there, and if something happens, and you'll get another cat off the street.
That's true. The cats usually do their own thing. And with Ellen, we're glad that you're back on your show once again, because we haven't heard from you in a long time. So Ellen, we're glad that you finally got your show back and you overcame all of the negative hate that was coming towards you.
It's true. We knew you were going to come out strong, Ellen, because that's what you do. That's what talk show hosts do all the time. Like Black King Sebastian and I.
Exactly.
Don't pay attention to the hate, even though Black King Sebastian and I, we don't really have haters, but here's some advice for the future people when we take Wendy Williams' show. So the future advice that I just want to tell you guys is, if you don't have haters, then no one's talking about you. You obviously you don't have the clout for it.
That's right. If you don't have haters, you're never going to get better, because you need that criticism to make you know what you need to make you better.
I know we said we were going to say that was our last hot topic, but I do want to mention this because it's one of my favorite basketball players from one of my favorite basketball teams, the Phoenix Suns, and NBA star Kelly Oubre Jr. just proposed to his girlfriend with a huge ring, and she said yes on the basketball court. What are your thoughts, Black King?
It's good that he's going out there giving her a huge ring, but don't spend all of your money on that ring. Because if you spend too much, you might be in debt the next game. Because right now, with the coronavirus and everything going on, we just don't know how much money you're going to make from the entertainment, sports, and everything else. So maybe you should have saved that change for going to a nice restaurant, like the Capitol Grill, or fly out somewhere.
Exactly. You should have got the chunk change, took her out to somewhere nice to eat, took her and said that she's beautiful instead of getting married. Black King Sebastian and I see all these people getting married left and right, left and right, left and right at such a young age. It's kind of beautiful, but then again, unless you do it how Scottie Pippen and Larsa Pippen did it, where they're just out in the streets, it's tough. Let's get into our horoscope, Black King Sebastian.
Our horoscope for today is Sagittarius. This is the perfect time to use body language and gestures to get your point across. Talking is highly overrated. Instead of describing your feelings, demonstrate them creatively. In a group, games like charades may be especially amusing. Friends, co-workers, or clients may appreciate your playful mood, even if the details are beyond them. For the next few days, you like things that seem to be larger than life. Unless there's a law against it, anything goes. This was our horoscope as well as our hot topics for today, but for Kylie Jenner, that's for you. We look forward to seeing you in the Playboy studio. Other than that, we out. Boots it. We'll catch you on the next song. We'll catch you guys on the next song.